Great. So if everything has been downloaded correctly, including the software and the show files, you should be ready to start up ETC Nomad and Augmented and start working virtually in Lighting Design. So again, I have dropped all my files here in the Lighting Tools folder. And when I open it up, if you have installed the software correctly, you should see an item that says EOS Family Welcome Screen. The EOS is the name of the software that our lighting control console uses. There are several different versions of EOS. There is EOS Element, there is EOS Nomad, there is EOS Ion. We're going to be using EOS Nomad, which replicates our EOS Ion board in the Burke booth. So in order to get started, you can see here that I have the EOS Family Welcome Screen, and right below that I have my ETC Lab show files that we have downloaded that we're going to be using to do our visualization this semester. So let's get started by opening the software. I'm going to double click the welcome screen, and this is what you should see. This is also what we see in the booth when we start up our light board, except it doesn't say Nomad. It'll say ETC Ion on our actual lighting console in the Burke booth. For now, we want to work online with Viz. Viz meaning visualization. And that's the augmented software that's part of ETC Nomad, is the visualizer that helps us see the lighting design that we're creating and should mirror what's going on the stage. So we're going to click this option, and it's going to ask you, is that really the option that you want? And you're going to click OK. If everything is working correctly, the ETC Nomad software is going to boot up. And very likely when it boots up for the first time, you're not going to see much. You're going to see a couple of blank squares. Yours might look similar to this. It might look a little different than this. But this is basically what you're going to see. You might see that spinning wheel here as the software initializes. There might be 2 big panels. There might be 3 or 4 big panels. But it's mostly going to be blank. If it is, that's okay. You haven't done anything wrong. We just need to set up what it is that we see in each one of these squares. So if you've gotten this far, you have installed the software correctly, and you are ready to use ETC Nomad and augmented software.